Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel once again. As you know, my name is Tunde Abraham, and what we want to talk about today is a pre-collision system. Pre-collision system. This is one of the systems that is included on the LC 300, Land Cruiser 300. And here, the warning light for the pre-collision system is the one shown here. You can see like two vehicles colliding with each other. That is the warning light. That is the warning light. So if the collision system of this Land Cruiser 300 is faulty or is malfunctioning, this warning light will show. Or even if the pre-collision system is in operation, this warning light will also be displayed. So you have seen the warning light, and the pre-collision system uses a radar sensor and front camera to detect many objects in front of the vehicle. And when the system determines that the possibility of a frontal collision with an object is high, if the collision with an object is very high, then a warning operates to urge the driver to take an action, and potential brake pressure is increased to help the driver avoid the collision. So this is what happened. And if the system determines that the possibility of the frontal collision with an object is extremely high, then the brakes are engaged, and they are automatically applied to help avoid such collision, or help to reduce the impact of such a collision. So it is not necessarily or compulsory that it is the driver that will press the brake pedal. No, not at all. It is the system that will detect it because of the camera and the front radar sensor. All they will determine this and affect the brake pressure, so that there will be no collision, or to reduce the collision of such vehicle that is having a pre-collision system with another vehicle. Okay, then so thank you for watching, and that is all for now. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification buttons, so that when I release another video, you will be notified, and click the bell button. Thank you so much. Bye.